Hey, this is Mark reaching out to you from my new listing in Portland, right off Washington Avenue at 39 Samuel Road. It is coming on the market this week. I think you're going to really love it. It is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath ranch. It's been in the same family for a number of years. The only thing left is this couch, which is going today. So it's empty, ready for some fresh paints, some wallpaper stripped, and you to move in and make it your own. Let's come take a look. So as I come in, you'll see you've got a nice 3-season porch / mudroom, and then that leads right into the kitchen. To the immediate left here, that will go down to the basement, but you've got a nice kitchen with the slider out to the backyard. We'll go there later. Great cabinet space, good counter space, an electric stove, fridge, and dishwasher. And as we head into, and your own ironing board, and a rotary phone. We have a living room in here. Now the owners, there's one layer of wallpaper, which should be really easy to take off if someone wants fresh paint instead. But, and then down the hallway, we have 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom. And there are hardwood floors throughout all the living rooms. To the immediate right, you have this bathroom with a tile floor, full bath, and a couple linen closets here. And to your immediate left, we've got the first bedroom. The floors will need to get touched up, but they're certainly in good condition. Got the largest room here. So someone who's looking for single level living, or looking for their first home, or maybe even just looking to downsize, this house could really work well for you. And we'll pop down into the basement so you can check that out. All right, so this is a finished space here, not super like, oh my God, high quality finished space, but it's certainly very livable and doable, great for, I could see like having a 7th or 8th grade party down here with all my friends. Back in the day, way back in the day. You do have a little tiki bar, which is fun. And there is the electrical panel. This is a sewer line drain that does go outside. So you have to work a little bit around that. It is what it is. And the laundry is down here as well. And you can see these folks have really cleaned this house out. All you need to do is come in and make it your own. Before we leave though, I'd love to have you see the backyard and the deck, because it's really a great, I think that's my favorite part about this space. So the weather did say it was going to be sunny and 70s today. Not quite there yet, but we're getting there. Really nice sized yard here. And if someone wanted to add a little lap pool, that would be nice. Or just, you know, just hanging out with barbecue, fire pit, whatever you want. And you've got a good sized deck. And this house is going to be coming on the market this week. Please give me a call. My number is 207-232-6127 if you're not working with a realtor. If you are working with a realtor, please give them a call. It's very easy to set up a showing. We will have an open house, and thanks for watching our video.